بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. We will continue on chapter 4 اللي هو multiple linear regression. In this video we'll talk only about an interaction multiple linear regression model with a quantitative predictor. So you need to focus on these words, interaction and the quantitative predictors. What's the meaning of interaction? Interaction هو شنو؟ تداخل المالتيبل linear regression model اللي احنا استخدمناه مع something called quantitative predictors. البريدكتورز اوكي ممكن يكونون نوعين. البريدكتورز اللي هما الاكس اوكي. They may be two types. They may be a qualitative or they may be quantitative. Okay, what's the meaning of qualitative? If you need them to be qualitative, that means they are qualitative, they are words. Qualitative, they are words, but if they are quantitative, they are numbers. Okay, so quantitative will be numbers, qualitative will be words. So if they write here for me you with quantitative, it will be what? It will be numbers. So you will use the multiple linear regression with what? With the quantitative predictors. فالpredictors اللي راح يعطوني اياها it will be what? It will be numbers. Okay, it will be numbers. So okay, so you will use interaction multiple linear regression model with the quantitative predictors. You will see here you have the model y equal a plus bx plus cz plus dxz. So this term contains two independent variables, right? So these are multiply with each other. الx مضروبة في الz. الموديل هو يكون y equal a plus bx plus cz. That's it. Or you can write plus dw. But here they write lx multiply with the z. So if they are two variables, okay, two independent in one term, this means interaction term. مقطع متداخل متقاطع مع بعض. They are both in one term, so they are interaction term. They are what? They are interaction term. So if you have two independent in one term, this term called interaction term. Okay. Consider the following regression model. Let Z will be 0, 1, 2. Draw the analytic equations. Compare the slope, okay? Compare the slope of these equations, comment of the graph. Okay, when you will draw this equation, okay, you will find a line here and a line here and a line here, okay? And when you consider a Frank regression model, draw the resulting with the interaction here, without the interaction. Here, xz, that's it. Here you have the xz, so you have interaction term. If you have interaction term, these lines will be like this, then like this, then like this, okay? So they are what? They are interact. تقاطعوا مع بعض. Okay, so أقدر أكتب إن الخطوط إيش فيهم؟ الخطوط تقاطعت. الخطوط إيش فيها؟ تقاطعت. يعني when I draw this equation, okay, الخطوط إيش فيهم؟ راح يتقاطعون because of the interaction term. Okay, this will be only explanation. Okay, then we will solve the exercise. It is easy. Now, okay, you will see intersection lines with with interaction. So when you have interaction, okay, you have interaction لا هو الX with Z. So you will have what? Intersection lines. Intersection lines. That's mean when you have interaction term, you will see what? Here the lines are intersection. يتقاطعون. Okay? Then you will see here. هني الخطوط ايش فيها؟ متوازية parallel lines. So الخطوط متوازية. So what? So parallel lines. لا يوجد لا يوجد تقاطع. Okay? So when you read this box, when holding Z fixed, then the mean of y, okay, will be changed by B units for every 1 unit increased in X. What's the meaning of this? Okay, تأثير الإكس okay، تأثير الإكس على الواي بشنو؟ بالبي. فتأثر الإكس لأن احني الزد فيكس. اوكي، فالإكس هي اللي بتأثر، فتأثر على الواي بقيمة شنو؟ بقيمة البي. ما له علاقة بشنو؟ ما له علاقة بالزد. اوكي، ما له علاقة بالزد. والعكس صحيح، يعني لو when we fixed x بيتأثر بشنو؟ بيتأثر ب اللي هو السي. اوكي، فهني when we fix z الواي بيتأثر بمن؟ B. but when we fix x الواي بيتأثر بمن؟ بC. okay, this is the meaning of this box. but okay, when holding z fixed, okay، لما أثبت z then the mean of y will change by b plus dz. فهني في الانتراكشن وش بصير لما أثبت z؟ الواي بتتأثر بالبي زائد الدي زد. اوكي، units for every 1 unit increase. يعني تأثير الاكس، اوكي، الزد ثابتة، فالاكس هي اللي بتأثر على من؟ على الواي، بس بتأثر عليها بشنو؟ بالبي زائد الدي زد. اوكي، البي زائد الدي زد. So you can write the effect of x on prediction y is measured by شنو؟ by b plus dz. فإذا الإفكت اللي تقدمه x على y هو مقيوس بشنو؟ مقيوس ب b plus dz. but here the effect of x، okay، تأثير الإكس on predicting y وش يسوي؟ is measured by شنو؟ by b. والعكس صحيح، لو كنا نتكلم عن شنو؟ عن z بيكون التأثير بيكون c. okay, so this will be about the graphs here and the explanation. فهذه مفهوم شنو؟ الانتراكشن يقول لي إن في term، هذا الترم شنو؟ في two independent variables. فلما يكون عندي الموديل without interaction بيكون parallel lines، بيتأثر كل واحد بشنو؟ بالcoefficient إلى الاندبندنت الثاني. بينما if you have interaction بيكونون شنو؟ intersection، lines will be intersections، بيتقاطعون. and the effect will be شنو؟ will be b plus d z. That's the summary of this information. We will go for the next. recommendations. Okay, recommendations for checking the utility of an interaction multiple linear regression model. إذا هني شنو بنسوي؟ هني بنشوف اليوتيليتي. احنا اليوتيليتي كنا نقوله في السمبل أو في المالتيبل عادي بدون الانتراكشن. كنا شنو نسوي؟ كنا نطلع الاف تيست. if reject you go and check for t test. Okay, if do not reject you will stop. So here what you will do, you will test the overall utility of the model. you will test f test. الهايبوثيسيس طبعا مثلها ما تتغير h not كل الفاريبلز 0 ما عدا a. if the model has been deemed adequate, if you are reject then proceed to شنو step 2. فإذا this step مثل ما قلناها test شنو f test. then if you reject, okay, if you reject then what you will do, you will شنو you will test the importance of interaction term. فبأسوي t test على من؟ على الانتراكشن term. okay, والانتراكشن term شنو هو؟ الكوفيشنت حقه دي. مو احنا قلنا اللي هو بصير دي اكس زد. اوكي، فأنا بسوي تي تيست على هذا الترم. فهذا الترم الكوفيشنت حقه دي، so d equal to شنو؟ to 0. if the interaction has been deemed important، يعني if you reject h not then do not conduct t test on the other parameters. فلما أشوف التي تيست على الانتراكشن term reject you will not what? You will not continue. Okay, the importance of the interaction term implies the importance of the other terms in the model. فإذا لما أقول أرفض هذه الفرضية معناتها أقول إن الانتراكشن term مهم. فلما الانتراكشن term مهم هو already في الإكس وفي الزد، معناته إن الإكس والزد both are important. Okay, both are important. So you will write here. So either D, I can write it where? I write it here. Or either D وش فيها important. What you will do, okay, إذا D important شنو بنسوي؟ إذا D important that's mean شنو؟ that's mean إن ال X وال Z شنو both are important. Okay. إذا طلعت ال D important خلاص I stop because X and Z not D both X and Z are what? are important. فإذا لما D important that's mean ال X وال Z شنو important. فخلاص أوقف. لكن إذا ال D not important شنو أسوي؟ أسوي T test for اللي هو ال X وال Z اللي هم بيصيرون شنو؟ بيصيرون B ويا C. Okay, why? Because maybe one of them are important. عدل لو لا. فإذا الخطوات لو جينا بنكتبها هني بشكل مفصل. Okay, just wait a minute. Please, Hadi. Yeah. It will be here somewhere. Okay. Okay. You will go and make the F test. You will go and make what? Make the F test. If the F test reject, what you will do? You will go for T test. This T test for شنو؟ for interaction term. حق الانتراكشن term. If this interaction term reject, that means this will be what important. فإذا لما يكون reject شنو بنسوي؟ you will stop. If it will be reject, okay, stop here. Why? Because Z and X are important. Okay, so then if the t-tests are if the t-tests are not reject, you will go, I will write it another place. Okay, then if t test اللي حق الانتراكشن term فيها not reject, you will go and function t test for B and C. Okay, that's all. Okay, we will go for now. We finished from this. We will go for the example. According to the word development February, okay, study of street vendors in the city of Puebla, Mexico. The vendors annual earning, okay, they find here for me Y. فالY هي شنو؟ هي الانnual earning. Was modeled as a function of، احنا قلنا as a function of شنو تعني لي؟ معناتها اللي قبلها Y اللي عقبها شنو X. فعطانا this will be X1, this will be X2. So we have two X's with the interaction term. قال لي ان هذه الموديل في interaction term. هذا interaction term شنو بيسوي؟ the estimate of this model are given in the table. So قال لي ترى هم عاطينش الاوتبوت هني مال ده الموديل، عاطيني الانترسبت اللي هي A، عاطيني B C. This D of what? of X1 and X2 interaction term. So this for the interaction term. Okay? Yes. They said here في معلومة ناقصة, we will write it. Assume n equal to 10. Assume n equal to what? To 10. So you will go and find. Give the least square, okay, 1. Give the least square reduction equation. So you will write, you will write the equation. If they write, give the least square reduction equation, you will write the model, okay, you will write the model بتعويض هذه هذه القيم اللي موجودة عندي هني. This is the value of what? Of the estimate. So you will write it as, so 1, you will write y hat, okay, equal a plus b x1 plus plus c x2 plus plus dx1 x2. So you will go and substitute with the what? With the values from the output. So you can write y hat equal 104 1.9 minus 1 3.2 x1 plus 103 x2 plus 3.6 x1 x2. So these numbers are from the output. So how you will write the least square reduction equation? Like this. Okay, this is the equation for the interaction, and this is what you substitute in it with the numbers in the exercise. Okay, so exercise 2. What is the estimated slope? So they need the slope relating okay, relating what? Annual earning to age when number of hours working is 10. النمبر of hours working معناتها شنو؟ معناتها x2 شنو؟ 10. x2 شنو؟ 10. Then they called interpret the results. فيبون شنو؟ interpret مالت السلوب اللي خديناها في بداية الشابتر. It is the not the the slope. Okay. So how you will write this equation? Okay. Yeah. It will be here they needed to be 2 minus 13.2 plus 3.6 into 10. So you will write it like this. Okay, you will go for the formula here اللي هي المعادلة. So for 2 you write y hat. Okay, المعادلة اللي كتبناها فوق تونا. Okay, you can find it here. You substitute by x2 شنو? You will go for x2, you write 10. Here will be شنو? 10. Okay? Here will be شنو? 10. So when you will be okay شنو بتصير؟ بتصير y هتساوي 104.1.9 minus 13.2 x1. Yes, 13.2 x1 plus 103.3 في 10 اللي هي ال x2 plus 3.6 x1 في 10. Okay, you will collect the terms with x1. Here x1 and this term all for x1 and this also with x1. So you will find minus 13.2 plus 3.6 into 10. Okay, this term. Okay. Yeah, this will be not included. It will be this and this because they have x1. So this value will be 22.8. Okay, and you will collect the numbers here. The numbers. This number you can count it with this number. Okay, and you will find the solution. But this will be not important. The important thing, how you write the interpretation. From the interpretation, you will understand the meaning exactly. So you write when number of hours worked is 10. Okay, فلما ال x2 equal 10. When we increase the age اللي هو x1 by 1 year شنو بصير؟ the annual earning increase by شنو؟ by $22.8. فالحين احنا هذه المهمة من وين جبناها؟ هذه كلهم البيانات من السؤال. احنا قمنا خذينا شنو؟ خذينا minus 13.2. هذه minus 13.2 شنو؟ اللي فيها x1. عدل لو لا؟ اللي فيها x1. Then plus 3.6. okay, 3.6 اللي فيها شنو؟ اللي فيها x1 multiply with 10 لأن فيها x2. So I removed x1 and x1 I make them what? I make them 1. So you by what? By 1. Okay? So when you make it 1, this will be the answer شنو؟ 22.8. Understood? So this will be the explanation here about how we get the numbers, and here the full answer. Okay, about question 3. Okay, question 3, what is the estimated slope? Okay, they need the estimated slope relating with annual earning اللي هو Y to hours worked when age is 40. So they give me x1 now, not x2. x1 equal شنو 40. Then interpret the result. هني مثل السؤال بس شنو، بس الإجابة بالعكس، يباني على الإكس شنو، على الإكس 1. So you will go and solve it here. Okay, yeah, you will write here when the age is 40 years. Okay, when the age is 40 years, when we increase the hours worked by 1 hour، يعني لما أزيدهم بشنو، لما أزيدها 1 hour، the annual earning increase by this value, some value here. From where you will get this value؟ فإذا الكلام ما يتغير، هذا الكلام إنه when the age is 40 years, when we increase the hours. Okay, the hours, when we increase the hours by شنو، by 1. The annual earning increased by كم؟ You will find it like this. أروح إلى من؟ أروح إلى ال Y. I will take the values with شنو، with اللي هو x2. فلما أقول 103.3 مع شنو، مع x2 plus 3.6 في x1 اللي هي شنو 40 في x2. So x2 you will remove it, you will make it what 1. When you will add them, it will be equal to 247.3. This value you will put it here اللي هي $247.3. Okay, so that's why you would choose what, you would choose the values with x2 and you will substitute them with what, with 1, and you will write here the what, the intercept. Yes, that's easy. We'll move to the next. 4. Test the claim at alpha equal 0.05 that age and hours work interact positively. Okay, فإذا هما يتقاطعون positively. Give the appropriate conclusion in the words of the problem. فيباني أعطي شنو تفسير. So how you will do this؟ يعني يباني أسوي testing بالأحرى، هو كاتب لي هني شنو test، فيباني أسوي test على من؟ على الانتراكشن term، بينما يكون positively that's mean greater than 0. So you will find all the information in the شنو in the exercise. You will go and make the test. It will be h naught شنو d equal to 0، h1 اللي هي d greater than 0. So t test. Okay, t test, you will go for the output. You cannot find the t test, so you will take the estimate over the standard error. For d, you will make the estimate اللي هي d hat على ال SE إلى d hat. It will be 3.6 over 3.8. It will be 0.947. Okay. So the t value you can find it from the table or you can find it from R. Okay. Okay. So t will be equal 1.66 approximately. Okay. So you can draw this. Okay, here the positive, so to be 1.66. Here the rejection. Here don't reject. Okay, this value will be what? Greater than 1.66 or less. It will be less. So it will be here at the what? Do not reject. So you will write this conclusion. So we can't reject it not. This indicates that what? That the interaction between age and hours worked is not important in predicting the vendor's annual earnings. Okay, so this would be the answer for exercise 4. Okay, this would be the answer for this question. So this will be the end for this section اللي هو interaction. It is easy, you can apply all the previous information in it, but بدل ما أن هي only one independent variable, it is more than what? It is more than one variable. Okay, so don't be panic. So that's it for this section. We will complete the last section next, inshallah. Thank you.